Good girl. Good girl. They're friendly. Okay, we're gonna get in the car. Let's go for a ride. Let's go for a ride. Let's all head on out. Let me put the camera on the mount. You're doing good. I gotta start the car engine, okay? That feel weird? That felt funny, huh? You're doing good. I wonder if I should just pop you up so you could see this. I need to get a pillow. Would you want to see everything up like this? Yes, good job. Good girl. And you hear that? That's a fire truck. Turn around all the way here. Let's see. Oh, I have to back up. Good job. You're doing good. Good girl. Yes, good girl. She's propped up. She can see everything. It's a lovely day. Nice cool morning. It's 53 degrees. You're looking at the houses. I know. She notices all the details. What do you see? You see the trees? And there's another tree. Lots of trees. Wow. See all that? And a lot of trees, a lot of flowers. See all those flowers? I'm gonna go around. And I'm gonna go back and let you play in the yard. It's okay. Good girl. Settle. Settle. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. We're going back inside the property so you could play on the grass. You smell that? Someone's mowing their lawn. Good job. And we're home. And let's go play on the yard now. Okay. We made it. I'm gonna roll up the window now, okay? See? I'll turn off the engine. And let me reach over. I take off your straps there and pull this over your head. Hey, baby. You made it. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You want to climb out? Come on. You can do it. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's go. Let's get her onto the grass so she can get comfortable, familiar. Good job. Pop up. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Yes, good job. It's okay. The car ride was fun, wasn't it? Something different.